We're back. You'll see one thing that's part of the writing process here. Yeah, always good, always good. Note, this first copy here is a bad paper. This one that we'll look at soon is the revision. So why are we doing this? Well, a lot of writers make the same mistakes. I want to point those out, as well as point out the corrections, how to overcome those pitfalls that often happen. Remember, this is a mini essay. 300 words is our target. With that said, lots of little things are really important. For instance, title. If we have a mini essay, just 300 words, title is really important. Why is this not a successful title? Right? It's just telling us what the assignment is. It's really not pulling us in. It's really not giving us a clue as to its content. Now, next we have the opening. Whoa. And immediately here we can see that this is not a successful opening for a mini essay, for a 300-word essay. The target length here should just be 1 to 2 sentences. So we're off to a really bad start. We're burning words. We don't want this. Yeah, this is not a good start. Written by, it's wording. Okay. Okay, this is okay. We've got a brief little plot summary, but not really good. What happens here in this next sentence? Okay, we got a point of view error. We should be writing in the third person. There's a cliche. We should not have cliches. Then, whoops, there we got a word choice error. We have way too much going on here, way too much plot summary. And the result of this is that we're burning words, which should not happen. Oh, in this essay, I will tell you, oh, please don't do this, guys. This is really bad. This is what's called an announcement. And never do an announcement, right? Never talk to the reader like this. So what we have here, here we have our main idea. It's going to end our opening, right? Our thesis, another point of view error. I will tell you that it is through actions like these and other aspects of the story that the theme of the chrysanthemums can be seen. Well, if you remember what the purpose of writing is, to select a literary device and then show how it's used to develop the theme, well, what is the theme? Is the theme stated? No. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how is this opening? Well, we have a lot of errors chunking up in here, right? It's really, really lengthy. We're burning up needed word count. And plus, it's not even, we don't even know what the theme is. What's the literary device? We don't know what that is either. So on a scale of 1 to 10, the start here is, yeah, a 0, sitting on a 0. Now it's time to discuss. Well, what are we going to discuss? I don't know, because we don't have that pointed out. So at this point, we're really sailing into some troubled waters. Oh, what's missing here automatically? That we don't have any quotes in support of the discussion. Okay, so it's going through and really hasty kind of recounting the story. And then what do we have here? This helps to develop the story's theme. What is it? Are we accomplishing our purpose in writing? No, we are not. Okay, now this is not okay. Now we start to bounce around for something else. We start off with the relationship between husband and wife. Then we drop in the peddler. And now we drop in the yard. We're really ping-ponging all over the place in this paper, right? So what's happening here? We really can't find a clear focal point, bouncing around. We're clearly off topic. We don't even really have a topic to discuss. Whew, it's really not good. Oh, and we're dropping in, right? First person point of view, we can't get that. Now you'll notice from when we went through and we discussed, right, we're taking a look at the notes. Yeah, we're kind of pulling some of those aspects in, but there's really no focus. There's no quotes. This is really, and there's too much, there's plot summary that's coming in and driving the paper. It's really, really not good. Oh, what just happened here at the end? Oh, talking to the reader again. Please don't do that, everybody. Oh, wow. So there's the theme. Why, Jimbo, did you hold it till the end? Where should that have been? At the opening. So why is this such a bad paper? Well, we didn't address the purpose in writing until the end. That's not good. That should be in our opening, in our main idea. That should be what drives the paper. Without something, to drive the paper, we have this discussion that's ping-ponging around, and there's no quotes. The paper has terrible focus. The word count is ignored. Yeah. So what would we do for Jimbo? Well, we'd have to run the flag up the flagpole for Jimbo. This is a hard F for all of those many reasons. What we'll see in the next lecture is the good papers. And a way to think about this, right? We went through and we talked about the story. We annotated the text. That's part of the writing process. Being bad is part of the writing process. Just get that badness out. Don't turn in a draft. This is clearly a draft from Jimbo. Now we'll take a look at his revision in the next lecture.